So I contacted We Buy Ugly Houses, like .com, that website, and nobody ever got back with me. I was wanting to sell my home, and so when I was on Facebook, I guess the Google search engine pulled up the Capstone advertisement in my feed. I was like, hey, it's local, and I saw all good reviews, so I called, and that night Colby called me back and we started the process. It was extremely easy. Almost made me a little scared because I was like, how could it be this easy? Something's got to be wrong. But it was, I think everything just went smoothly. Any questions I had, I think I remember messaging on like a Sunday night at like 7 o'clock one time, and Colby got back to me immediately. It just went so, I mean, it was like 3 weeks and we were done. It was great. Absolutely. That'd be my first pick for anybody.